Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make these really cute little Swiss rolls made out of flannels or washcloths with an added cute little ribbon. All we're going to need is 2 different flannels or washcloths, a piece of ribbon and some scissors. Take the first flannel and lay it out flat, and then we're going to fold it into thirds. So we're going to fold over one side, then fold over the other side. Then we're going to repeat that with the second flannel. So we're going to fold it over and fold it over again. When you've got them both folded, it doesn't matter that they're both different lengths, that won't matter at all. Pop the white one on top of the brown one, and we're just going to line up the edges. Once they're lined up, we're ready to start rolling. It doesn't matter that there's a gap because this white one will get pushed along as we roll, so it will work out perfect. As we can see there now, look, it's pushing it along, and we're just going to roll it up. As we can see now, that's formed our Swiss roll. So we're going to pop that there. Taking a piece of ribbon, I've just got some metallic ribbon. For this, you can use any ribbon you like. And then we're just going to pop the flannels on top, cut a piece of the ribbon. Make sure this part is at the bottom of the Swiss roll when you pop it on your ribbon. Then tie the ribbon around the centre. This is just going to help to hold it all together. And then we're just going to tie a bow. This is just a little bit of added extra that just finishes it off. When you're happy with the bow that you've tied, we just need to trim off the loose tails. For this, I'm going to fold the ribbon in half and make a cut. And then it's just going to finish off our ribbon really nicely. And there you have a cute Swiss roll made out of flannels. These make perfect gifts for the holiday season, and you can pop it in a little cello bag or wrap it up in some cute paper or tissue paper to make the ideal gift this holiday season. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you again soon.